Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching from right now. Now if you check through the internet, there are quite a number of tools that you can use to create videos. Some are good, some are not so good. Now in today's video I'm going to show you a particular AI platform that you can use to create YouTube standard videos in a jiffy. It won't even take you anything, because it's totally free. So get ready, let me take you on this journey to expose this particular platform that you can use to create amazing video, make amazing content for your YouTube and other social media platforms. If today is the first time of you watching, my name is Joe, your tech handyman. If you're ready, let's get started.
Okay guys, head over to Fliki AI. That's Fliki. This is actually the homepage, the Fliki AI homepage. Now once here you can log in or sign up. Now we are going to log in because we already have an account. So once I click on login, it takes me right here. You can go in using your Google account, Facebook, LinkedIn or email, but I'm going to use my Google email, so I'll just click on Google and it takes me right here. All the videos you create will be here. So click on new file, and then once you click on it, you need to set the language. Here is English. You can set it to any language. The dialect here, I will set it to Nigeria. And then the file name, you have to input the file name right here. In this case, it's healthy diet video. You can leave it at audio or you do leave it at video. So we're going to do video. Once done, just click and submit. It takes you right here. This is where you will work. So here you can download upload a file that you're going to use as your background audio. Here you have the voiceover. You can select different voiceovers, but the default is here at Sarah. Then the layout, the clips that you are going to use in this video. This is the preview screen. So once done, you just click on download. You can convert to different format your video, and this way you have the settings. This is the settings page. So you can decide to set the page, the gap between scenes 0.5 is okay, and then the aspect ratio 16:9. The other checked is okay. Just click on saved, and then here you are going to type in your script. So here for that we head over to ChatGPT. I will just quickly input my script. Once done, just click generate and ChatGPT will generate this script for you. So what you do is copy each paragraph and then put it on each scene. This is one scene, so I'm just going to paste it here inside of Fliki, and then once that is done, click this plus to create another scene. So I'm just going to repeat this process of copying from ChatGPT into Fliki. Once done, this is it. You have all the scenes laid out like so. So we go to voiceover and click on the default that is there, which is Sarah. Then here you have a whole lot of voices, so I'll leave it at English. The dialect, I'll change it to Nigeria, which is my country at the moment. So the gender, the voice you're going to use is male. And for the voice style, I think I will go for excited, so I will select that. So the name here is Abeo, so click on the voice you're going to use, and then this is apply voice to all voiceovers. Select that and click select. So in a jiffy, all the scenes will have the same voiceover, which is in this case Abeo, just like so. And then once that is done, you go to layout, click on it. Once you click on the layout, you have options here to pick, be it video, image, or even GIF. So here we leave it at video because we want to work with video. So once selected, you can decide to select it manually, but in this case I want to just click on or to select. So once that is done, it will auto pick the media. All the medias that I want, they are done now. So you can see all of them, they have the media and the subtitle. So here you are going to do the settings for the voiceover. You can set the speed, the volume as well. The subtitle is ticked. If you uncheck that, it means it's off. So the positioning of the subtitle anywhere on the screen, you can select it here. So I like to leave it here. So for the font type, you can select it here. I'm using Nonito. The size you can select whether small, medium, or large, and then every other settings. For instance, the text color, you can set everything here. Basically, this is what you used to set the voiceover, both how it looks and how it will sound in terms of loudness and of course the speed. So right here I'm trying to adjust the color of the text that will be displayed. So the shadow color, I think I will leave it at plain white. So you just set it as so you can change it to any color you want, and then you leave it that way. So once you're happy with all the settings, you can do auto visualization. You can check that box, and then the positioning, every other thing that is, just click on apply to similar layer, so that the settings you just done now can apply to all the scenes, just like so. So once you get to this stage, you can just test it out. So I'll just adjust the speed and then play it again, so you can see how nicely the video plays. The audio is playing very, very, very well, you know, so you can try it and see it for yourself. So the video is playing, you can see all the clips, relevant clips, and together everything is fine. So once you're satisfied, just click on download, so and click on start export, and then the pop-up, you click start. So what happens is that an email will be sent to your mailbox that you used to register. Once it's ready, this is the email now. So once it's ready, they will notify you in the email, so you can click on download and allow it to play just like this. So guys, this is how it is. Try this out and see what you can make of it. Thank you for watching today's video.